calling all investors. This property has 2 units with steady income. The main house is a 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom with washer/dryer hookups in the laundry room. The garage apartment is a 1-bedroom, 1 bathroom that has been completely renovated to include framing, electrical, new cabinets, flooring, bathroom, paint, water heater, air conditioning and exterior stairs. The garage apartment also has hookup for washer and dryer. New drive and parking areas have been installed as well. Both units are currently rented. The property is being sold as is.